Welcome to Unknown Millionaire's Portfolio, your ultimate guide to building real wealth quietly. This is the channel for the hustlers, the silent builders, the ones who'd rather grow bank accounts than chase clout. We don't flex. We strategize. We invest smart. We move in silence and let results speak. Whether you're starting with $100 or scaling your first six figures, you'll get proven strategies, deep financial insights, and step-by-step game plans to grow your net worth, all without the spotlight. If you're tired of loud gurus and hype, and you're ready to build wealth the right way, welcome home. Subscribe now because millionaires are made in the shadows. $100. That's it. That's what we're working with today. Whether you're between jobs, a student, or just trying to make it through a rough patch, this video is for you. Because you can budget with just $100. And I'm not here to judge. I'm here to show you how. No gimmicks. No skip your coffee nonsense. We're talking real strategies for real people. Here are 5 ways on how to budget with just $100, realistic, no excuse plan for anyone. Let's dive in. Segment 1, the mindset shift. First, let's kill the biggest myth. You need a lot of money to start budgeting. Not true. Budgeting is about control, not cash. $100 may not be much, but it can go a long way when every dollar has a job. This isn't about luxury, it's about survival, self-respect, and progress. Budgeting with small amounts teaches you discipline, awareness, and creativity that people making $10,000 per month still haven't learned. So, if you only have $100 to your name, own it. This is your reset button. And we're pressing it now. Segment 2, rule number 1. Needs first, the survival split. Here's the basic split. Small blue diamond 60% needs. Small blue diamond 30% opportunity. Small blue diamond 10% momentum. Let's break that down with $100. $60 goes to needs. $30 goes to opportunity. $10 goes to momentum. Blue square needs are non-negotiables. That's food, hygiene, basic transport. Think ramen, rice, eggs, bananas, peanut butter, cheap, dense food. Dollar stores, food banks, and meal sharing groups are your best friends here. If you can cook, you can stretch $20 into 5 to 6 meals easy. Hygiene, $1 soap, $1 toothpaste, $1 deodorant. Boom. Covered. Transport, bike, walk, public. Skip the Uber. These $60, make sure you survive another week or two. That's priority number 1. Stick to it. Segment 3, rule number 2, opportunity money. Now we get creative. $30 is your opportunity fund. This is the money that's going to get you out of survival mode. Even if you don't have a job, this $30 is your tool to build income streams, find gigs, or level up your skills. Small orange diamond example. Spend $10 on printing flyers for odd jobs, cleaning, dog walking, yard work, or go to the library and print it out for free. Small orange diamond used $20 to buy underpriced items at a thrift store. Flip them on Facebook Marketplace. Small orange diamond buy phone credit or internet access to get on Upwork, TaskRabbit, or Fiverr. Got a phone? Use it. Film a TikTok. Offer a local service. Sell a digital product. With $30, you're buying access, not stuff. Access to gigs, Wi-Fi, platforms, or opportunities. That's the mindset shift. Spend like a hustler, not a consumer. Segment 4, rule number 3, momentum money. Last $10? This is the most important $10 of the whole budget. I call it momentum money. You don't touch this unless it's for something that moves you forward mentally, emotionally, or financially. Here are 3 things you can do with it. White heavy checkmark, put it in a cash envelope labeled break glass in case of emergency. It becomes your first mini emergency fund. White heavy checkmark, spend it on something that lifts your mental state. A journal, a used book on finance, or even a cheap notepad to plan your life. White heavy checkmark, use it to invest in habit building. For example, saving it every week until you have $50, then opening a high-yield savings account. That $10 isn't for now. It's a seed for your future self. Segment 5, but I have nothing solutions. Now you might be saying, but I literally don't have $100. Here's how to get your first $100 starting today. White heavy checkmark sells something you own but don't use. Books, clothes, tech, even $5 adds up. White heavy checkmark offer a 1-hour service to 5 people. Clean, move boxes, babysit. $20 per hour x 5 equals $100. White heavy checkmark return or cancel any subscription or item you're not using. White heavy checkmark look for no barrier side gigs, survey sites, Craigslist day jobs, odd jobs in your neighborhood. There is always a path to that first $100, but it requires effort, not excuses. If you're watching this on a smartphone, you already have more tools than millions of people did 20 years ago. Use them. Here's your 3-step challenge for today. Find or earn your first $100. Split it. $60 needs, $30 opportunity, $10 momentum. Stick to that plan for 7 days. Then repeat. Budgeting isn't about money. It's about discipline, resourcefulness, and action. If you can budget $100 with intention, you can budget $1,000, $10,000, or more. Drop a comment if you're starting your $100 budget today. Like this video if you want more real talk on money. And remember, every dollar you manage is a step toward freedom. You got this. Alright, if you've made it this far, I've got a bonus challenge just for you. You've already proven you care about your future, so here's your next move. Bonus action. Take your first $10 of momentum money and put it toward building a one-day income stream. Here's what that means. Use that $10 to print flyers, buy supplies, or get internet access. Create something today, even if it's a handwritten sign offering help in your neighborhood. Take a photo of your progress and keep it as your starting point. If you do that, you've officially taken step 1 toward becoming recession-proof. That's a superpower most people never develop. Speech balloon, drop a comment below and tell me how you're going to use your first $100. I read every single one. And if you've ever felt behind or discouraged, just remember this. It's not about how much you have, it's about what you do with it.